What's up, Jazz Cat Squad? This is a really easy sculpture that you can make at home too if you want. So you just need one roll of toilet paper, or it's kind of like paper mache, but instead of using regular paper, we're using toilet paper. It's really soft and it's really easy to shape, like Play-Doh almost. So I just got this wet, and some people out there like to make food sculptures with toilet paper, but today I'm thinking about making a little kitten that's sleeping with a ball of yarn, and she's sleeping on her cat bed. So I'm going to be shaping the cat right now, and she's laying on her side, like curled up like cats usually do. They're all curled up when they sleep. Now I have to shape the little cat bed, and this is going to be like a circle with like a little rim all around. Okay, great. It's going to be a perfect fit. I'm just going to try it out, and it works. And now I had to wait 2 weeks later before I can finally paint. This is a really hard project if you're not patient, because you just can't wait to get painting, but you can't paint it if it's wet. But today's a lucky day. So I'm painting this little bed blue, and I'm thinking about making the cat gray and white. And here's a little ball. I'm adding a little hot glue and some real yarn to make it look realistic. Now I'm just adding a little bit of white details on the paws and the face and the tip of the tail. The white is not as bright as I want it to be, so I'm going to do a second coat. I hope you like how it's coming out so far. And one of the last steps is we have to paint under the cat, and I also have to paint under the little cat head. Now it's time for a little collar. I'm just using a little piece of scrap felt. And here is the final product. I'm going to give this to a gift to my daughters. I know that this would look a lot cuter if the cat had whiskers somehow, but I'm not sure how to get the whiskers to stand up. Hope you like this project, everyone, and leave a comment what you're going to try to make, or leave a comment if you think you would try this project. Do you like it or no?
Yeah.